Enugu is the capital city of Enugu State, located in southeastern Nigeria. It is often called Coal City due to the large coal deposits in the region. The name Enugu is derived from the two Eboh words, Enu-Ugu, which means the top of the hill, this indicating the city's hilly geography. According to the 2006 Nigerian census, the city had a population of 722,664. In 1951 to 1967, Enugu was the regional capital of the eastern Nigeria. Enugu served briefly in May to October 1967 as the provisional capital of Igbo land known as the Republic of Biafra, until in 1970 it was captured by the Nigerian Armed Forces. The city is a home to a branch campus of the University of Nigeria, the Enugu State University of Science and Technology, and the Institute of Management and Technology. Enugu State Central Library and several radio stations are also located in the city. The city is also the second main filming location after Lagos for the Nigerian movie industry known as Nollywood. Domestic and international flights lands at the city's Akanu Ibiam International Airport. Enugu is the headquarters of the popular Nigerian delicacies like Isiewu, Abacha, Fiofio, Fufu, Oba, Oba, pepper soup, and Nkwobi. The city has a bubbling night time for night crawlers. There are various joints, sit-outs, and nightclubs, all providing night entertainment. Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays are the night party days of the week. In conclusion, Enugu is a cool city. It has a blend of an ancient city and convenience of a modern city that charms the visitors. 042 Anamuaka. Imuaka emegi ifo muaka. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video very informative and entertaining, you already know what to do. Hit the like button below, share with your family and friends, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And I will see you on the next one. God.